everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome! My name is Callie and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails and good vibes. In today's video, I'm collaborating with Jham from Honey Crunch 321 here on YouTube. We decided to create some pastel floral nail art to celebrate spring. This was really fun to come up with, and I came up with these two designs that could be either separate or in the same manicure, so however you'd like to recreate them, that would be awesome. Don't forget to check out Jham's video as well. Her nail art is so cool, so her links will be in the description box down below. If you're new here from her channel, welcome, and I hope you'll subscribe. So the first thing you'll need for this design is pastel polishes. You can use whatever colors you want, but I decided to go with pretty much a variety of them. So the two main colors were a light blue and a light pink. I also used white for some of the details as well as green, and of course I needed a little bit of some yellows and oranges. So however you want to come up with this design, if you'd like to recreate this exactly, or if you just want to come up with your own spin on it, that's perfectly fine. You can use whatever colors you like. So these are the ones I chose, and I will try to link them in the description box down below. So the first half of this manicure is this really pretty blue daisy design. I think this turned out so cute. It really reminds me of all these really pretty floral dresses I've been seeing lately, so I really like this pattern. So I started off with this nice light blue, and then I took a detailing nail art brush, but you could also use a toothpick, a dotting tool if you have one, or a bobby pin to get the same look. And I took some white polish and I just created some very basic daisy shapes. You could totally look at pictures of daisies for reference while you're doing this, or you could just freehand it however you want. I decided to then go up in the corner of my nail and create half a daisy to have the pattern kind of continuing off my nail, so you can do that if you want, or if you can only fit one daisy on your nail, if your nails are shorter, that's fine. Mine are definitely pretty short right now, so I couldn't fit too many, but if your nails are longer, go ahead and add as many as you want. I think this turned out super cute and it's really easy to do. Once the white polish was dry, I took my dotting tool again and I added the yellow centers of the flowers. Again, you could do both of these next two steps with a toothpick or a bobby pin as well, and I added the leaves. So you can use whatever color green you want. Again, I decided to use this pastel shade. I think it's so cute. The second half of this design is inspired by a butterfly bush, and I thought this was a super cute design. So I started off with this really pretty light pink. I really like this color. I think it's so perfect for spring. And then for this next part, you could use pretty much whatever tool you have to create this kind of round flower shape on the tip of your nail. So I just used my detailing nail art brush again, but again, you could use a toothpick, a dotting tool, a bobby pin. You could also try a fan brush or a Q-tip, whatever you have around. You can surely achieve a really cool look with it, and this doesn't have to be perfect if you want it to be a little bit more sparse to look even more like a flower. So then I went in and added the leaves on the side. You can just create some small oval shapes for this. And finally, I went back in with my dotting tool and just added some dots of a darker orange. And then afterward, I kind of went back in and like took out the polish from the center before it was dry, and I think it looks really cool. Of course, you'll want to make sure your nails are nice and dry before you add top coat, but once your designs are completely finished and have dried for a few minutes, go ahead and add your favorite top coat. If you want to do a matte top coat, I think that would look really cool too, but I decided to go with glossy today because, as I've said so much lately, or at least in videos in recent months, I just don't have a good matte top coat right now. So if you have any matte top coat recommendations, let me know because I'm still on the hunt for one. So I really love how these designs turned out. I think they look so cute together. So like I said in the beginning, you could totally recreate one of these in a full manicure, or you could do both like I did. These would also make for nice accent nails with just another plain color manicure, so lots of versatility here. But if you do decide to recreate either of these designs, then definitely share on Instagram with hashtag TSNinspo so I can see. I really like reposting your manicures on my story and sharing them with our Polished People community. It's always really fun. So this was a really fun video to do, and I had a great time collaborating with Jham to bring these designs to you. Again, don't forget to check out Jham's video as well. I will put all of her links in the description box down below. And if you're new here from Jham's channel, then I hope you'll subscribe. I post 2 new videos every week, and you can also join the very important Polished Person email club newsletter, which gets sent out every Monday. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will be back on Tuesday with another video. Same nail time, same nail channel. Have a polished rest of your day. Bye!